This is the Sunatoria Keratin hair mask and it is magical. Magical. I was sent this to review, but I am absolutely blown away with how well it works. If you have dry, frizzy, damaged, bleached hair, you need this in your life. I've been bleaching and coloring my hair for years now, and it has gotten so damaged and dry and frizzy and gross. But literally after putting this on for 10 minutes, washing it out, it is transformed. Absolutely transformed. You're gonna wanna do this with clean, towel-dried hair, no conditioner. Here it is. It is so thick and rich and creamy. It's like almost like a butter, and you just get it in there. You comb it through with your fingers. If you want to avoid your roots, you can, or you can go root to tip, top to bottom. If you have bleached, dry, dyed hair like I do, using, you know, heat and chemicals and all that stuff, like, this is so amazing to just treat your hair once a week, once a month, whenever you feel like you need it. Just amazing. Smells good. Really, really awesome. Get it doused in there and then kind of like plop it up on your head. They suggest wrapping it in a hot towel. If you want to do that, I don't do that, but you can. Leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes. I usually do 10 or 15. I usually get sidetracked and forget to wash it out. Then you wash it out and it's gorgeous. It's silky, it's smooth, it's just so nice. Literally, I have no other product in here. I didn't flat iron it or anything. It's not greasy, it's not heavy, it's just perfection. It just like treats and hydrates and it makes it smooth and gorgeous. It's paraben free, sulfate free, sodium free, cruelty free, and vegan. There's no mineral oil or oxybenzone. What it does have is hydrolyzed keratin, hydrolyzed wheat protein, vitamin E, omega-3, and omega-9. Oh, I absolutely love this stuff and I know you will too.